So today's kind of a fun day because I'm on my journey of keeping my engine clean, looking good, and I have found a product. So I'm working with Manton, if you guys know who that is. Typically known for pushrods, valve covers, springs, all the components in the valve train. They basically do all sorts of stuff, but I reached out to them, became a dealer through Lethal Garage to create some custom valve covers with no coil pack mounts, because we're going to relocate the coil packs on my car and just dress up the entire engine. Now, this is the first set they've made for the LT1s, so I'm super excited to go check them out. Gonna head down to go pick up the sets, even did some custom laser engraving on them. It's gonna be something cool, and it's gonna be something I'm gonna be offering through Lethal Garage. So if you guys are interested, these will be available with coil pack mounts and without. I don't know why anybody would want to get them with coil pack mounts, because then you won't really be able to see them that well, but yeah. But either or, I'm working with Bowtie Britches, who's going to be redoing all the wiring on my car, going to relocate everything, make it look super clean. So that's kind of the goal, but we actually have to get the valve covers to do that, and we're going to go pick them up. So let's go do it. So this is the cover setup with the coil mounts still on it. So super clean. You can see the back side. And you said, what was you steel mounts and the...
Steel insert washers, so that way that the insert washer will not be scarred by the flange washer that locks the valve cover down.
Yeah, so these are made with extra detail, just keeping every thought in mind. But again, you can slam these on your car with the coil packs in place, or I can show you the sets that I just had made that don't have the coil pack mounts, because we're going to relocate all of that to dress up the motor. Similar set in black.
Black anodized.
Super clean.
Fill cap side without insert plate.
Great. See, I should have ordered mine like that.
And then there is the baffled side.
Nice.
And the other cover, fully baffled across the entire cover.
So we can stay within regulations.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. For what's going on my car, I have the setup where we are relocating the coil packs. Look at these things. These things are glorious. It's got an amazing finish. They could be anodized, they could be powder coated. Either which way, you do have the baffling setup, so it does stay proper for California emissions, etc. These things just look amazing. A little bit dirty, but you guys get the gist of it. So yeah, really the next step's getting these bad boys installed on the car, figuring out how we're gonna do the wiring with the coil packs and everything, and we'll get that done. That's on the plan to get done in the next couple weeks, maybe a little longer. But yeah, Manton for the win. What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. New camera's doing funny things. So there you have it. I have picked up the parts from Manton Pushrods. Super excited to get these on the car. Again, these will be available on Lethal Garage. I have become a dealer for Manton. So myself, Bowtie Britches, will be able to install these, set them up for you if you guys are interested. Check them out, both the coil pack mounts and the ones that relocate the coil packs. Now, still got to figure out where and how we're going to be doing all the relocation and the wiring. I'm not assuming it's going to be easy or cheap, so keep that in mind if it's something you want to do. It does require a lot of rewiring and rerouting, but we will create a video and show you what we did and how we're going to do it, and hopefully, you know, be something people are interested in. So outside of that, that's all I got. Huge shout out to Manton. If you guys are interested in other products that they offer, check them out down below. There's a description or a link to their site or information. But until next time, guys, I do hope to see you on the road.